Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Rafat, and we have to discuss 20 top most important MCQs of first year to the matrices here. Now, come to the first MCQs here, that is a matrix in which the number of rows and the number of columns are equal, then the matrix is called a square matrix. Then matrix is called a square matrix. For example, this is a matrix 5, 6, 7, 8. Here, 2 rows and 2 columns. That means the number of rows and the number of columns are equal. So this matrix is called a square matrix. So the C option is correct. Now come to the second MCQs here. 1, 2, 3. We have to define the type of this matrix here. So they have 1 row and 3 columns. So this is called the row of matrix here. So the D option is correct. Now come to the third MCQs here. This is 1, 2, 3 to the whole transpose. So first we have to take out the transpose here. Transpose means we have to convert row into the column. 1, 2 and 3. Now here 1, 2, 3, there are 3 rows and 1 column. So this is called the column matrix, and the B option is correct here. Now order of this matrix here 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 rows and 1 column. So the A option is correct of the fourth MCQs here. Now if two matrices A and B are conformable for the multiplication, then AB to the whole transpose will be equal to B transpose into A transpose. We focus the order here. B transpose in the first position and the A transpose in the second position. So when AB to the whole transpose, it will be equal to B transpose and A transpose. Now dear students, come to the next MCQs here, that is the 6th MCQs. If the order of two matrices A and B are Mn and Np respectively, then the order of a matrix AB, so this is Mn and Np, so N is common, that then the required order of that matrix M cross P. So the A option is correct here. Now here a very interesting MCQs. A is Ij, where I is 3 and J is 4, and the matrix B is BJK. J again is 1 to 4 and K is 1 to 3. So when we have to multiply AB, so J is common, so the order will be IK. IK means I3, K3. So the order of this matrix will be 3 by 3 in this situation here. So here the principal diagonal having the same element, this is called a scalar matrix. We have the principal diagonal, the same element here. Now come to the 9th MCQs here. Now come to the 9th MCQs here. The matrix this is called which type of the matrix? Here the 2 minus 2, they are different, so this is called the diagonal matrix here. If we have the same elements, it is called the scalar matrix. So here if 2 rows of a square matrix are identical, if 2 rows of a square matrix are identical, then its determinant will be equal to 0. Will be equal to 0. Now this determinant is given here. So matrix given here, the determinant of this will be equals to, if we have to consider, so this is 1 and leave this row and column. So this is omega 0, 0 omega square. So omega cube minus 0, omega cube is 1. So the result is 1. So the A option is correct here. I3 means identity matrix with order 3 by 3. So when we have to take out the determinant of any unit matrix, the result will be equals to 1. So here the 13th MCQs here, 4, 2, 3, 1. If we have to take out its determinant here, so that will be equals to 4, 2 minus 2, 3s are 6 equal to 0, because it is the singular matrix. It is the singular matrix. So here it is equals to 6 over 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So the correct value of the lambda when the matrix is singular is 3 over 2. That is the C option is correct here. Now CBA inverse is given, so ABC inverse will be equal to each other. So here the A option is correct in the 14th MCQs here. Again we have the same situation with the different values here. This matrix is singular, so when we have to take out its conjugate here, so this is determinant here, sorry. So this will be 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12 equal to 0. So 4 is 12, 4 3s are 12. So the value of lambda will be equals to plus 3, and the correct option is A in this situation here. Now come to the 16th MCQs here. We have to find out the minor determinant M31. M31, not 31. So M31 means minus 1, 3 plus 1. 31 means the third row and the first element here. So we have to leave this row, this column and this row. So that will be 3, 5, 4, 7. So it will be equals to 7 3s are 21, 5 4s are 20. So this is 1. So that will be equals to 1. So the A option is correct in 16th MCQs here. Now come to the next MCQs, that is the 17th. Question says find the determinant of A transpose. So first we have to take out the transpose. That means we have to change the row into the column here, and this is 3 4. And then we have to take out its conjugate, its determinant here. So this is 4 1s are 4, 2 3s are 6, minus 2, and the correct option is A of the 17th MCQs here. Now a diagonal matrix in which all diagonal elements are equal is called scalar matrix. Now again here we have to find out the value of the determinant of this. So we have to take out 1, leave this row and column. So this will be 2 0 and 0 3. So this is 2 3s are 6 0, and the correct option, correct answer is 6. And this is the we have to consider this 6, and the C option is correct here. Now the last MCQs here. Now the last MCQs here, it is we have to take out its determinant here. So sine theta, sine square theta minus cos square theta. So minus plus sine square theta plus cos square theta, it is equals to 1. So the correct option is B in this situation. Thank you so much, dear students. We have discussed very important MCQs for matrices here. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Arafat. Thank you so much. Allah.